Is she a serious threat para sa Miss Universe 2025 sa Thailand? Presenting to you, Miss Universe Latina 2025. She is now representing the Latin American community para sa Miss Universo 2025 na gaganapin sa Thailand. Basic information about her, she is Yamilex Hernandez, born in Dominican Republic but now based in the United States. So, yung na-research ko, she is a model. She's a beauty queen, of course, winning the title of Miss Universe Latina 2025, representing Dominican Republic. Tapos, she is fluent in English as well as in Spanish. Tapos, yung degree niya ay she graduated with a degree in Communication Arts. Correct me na lang if I'm wrong. So, she is into the entertainment industry. Why is she considered as a threat for Miss Universe 2025? So let's begin with her pageantry experience. Noong 2021, she joined Miss Dominican Republic and then she placed as second runner-up. And then sumali ulit siya noong 2023 sa Miss Dominican Republic where she placed as first runner-up and then she gained the right to represent Dominican Republic sa Miss International. So naging top semi-finalist siya, no? Top 15 semi-finalist noong 2023. And during that time, Philippines placed as third runner-up, o di ba? And ngayon naman, sumali siya sa Miss Latina, kaya nanalo siya and gained the right to represent Latina sa Miss Universe. And yes, may pageant po ang Latina, hindi siya na-handpick. Talagang sumali siya and nagpagbakbakan sa mga iba pang Latina na contestants where she eventually won the pageant. Another reason why is she a threat is because yung pasarela, which is one of the most favored na criteria sa Miss Universe, lalo na ngayon na half owners ay mga Latino. So as you can see, the way she walked, as in yung kanyang pag-pose, ang lakas talaga ng dating niya, malakas yung kanyang stage presence, the confidence, kalmado pero hindi siya yung very OA sa stage, no? She really calculate yung kanyang pagsampa doon sa entablado, yung kanyang pag-pose, alam mo yun, tapos yung hand gesture niya, head gesture, the body language, alam mong unti-unti niyang pina-perfect, no? With the help of her pasarela coach, mga trainers. So, makikita mo talaga na hasang-hasa talaga siya sa stage. Mapag-gown man, swimsuit, o kaya in candid photos or videos. Nag-research ako ng konti at totoo pang pala na may Miss Universe Latina. So it started sa first edition nila noong 2014, correct me na lang sa date, and then nag-resume sila sa 2025 ngayon. So may totoong winner. And ito yung mga contestants na based na sa USA. Pero descendant sila or ipinanganak sila sa mga Latin American countries. So, yung mga introduction nila, sinasabi nila yung kanilang current residence sa United States, yung state nila, and then kung saang country sila ipinanganak bago sila pumunta sa US. So, yes, it is an international beauty pageant competition na may mga sarili silang pageantry experiences sa iba't ibang countries sa Latin America. So, medyo mahigpit talaga yung labanan dito, no? Kaya, watch out for Miss Universe Latina. 2024 nung magsimulang magkaroon ng Continental Queens ang Miss Universe. And they are, syempre, yung Miss Universe winner, tapos yung Miss Universe Asia, Miss Universe Africa and Oceania, Miss Universe Americas, tapos Miss Universe Europe and Middle East. So, since ngayong edition, meron ng Miss Universe Latina, siguro baka next edition may official representative talaga na Miss Universe Asiana, Miss Universe Europe, Miss Universe Africa, or Miss Universe Middle East, Miss Universe Oceania or Pacifica, o diba? So, I will not be surprised kapag meron ng mga continental queens vying for Miss Universe para madagdagan yung number of contestants. As you can see over here, ito yung isa ding reason kung bakit threat si Miss Universe Latina is that before or during the pageant mismo, they are mentored by yung previous title holders from the Latin American community. Andyan si Alicia Machado, andyan si Zuleika Rivera, tapos si Andrea Mesa, and yung mga iba pang mga title holders na Latina. So they are giving or sharing their own experiences, yung mga tips, yung mga do's and don'ts, yung kanilang pasarela experience, yung mga dapat nilang gawin, the communication improvement, ganyan. So, complete package, napakaswerte nila kasi ang daming previous title holders na willing silang tulungan. Another reason is yung communication skills ni Miss Universe Latina. Kasi she is currently based in the United States. So, syempre naman, no, nag-English na rin siya. And pansin nyo, yung mga contestants from Latin American countries na pinapadala sa mga international pageants, nag-English na sila. Yung iba, no need to use an interpreter, di ba? So, dito mapapansin mo na unti-unti talagang ini-improve ng mga trainers nila yung mga candidates na mag-English na talaga para mag-level up na yung kanyang skills. Kasi yun yung nakikita nilang disadvantage, yung language barrier, communication barrier na hindi minsan na e-explain or yung hindi sila naging comfortable na magsalita ng English. But ngayon, humanda-handa na kayo at bumubelta na ang mga Latina. So, yun yung mga reason kung bakit. Let's also watch out and don't underestimate Miss Universe Latina.